Good day guys, being here. Today we are going to model this. Okay, so let's start. So first create a project. And we're going to use model in place mass. Okay, so go model in place, M, mass, and OK, and OK. So first place two reference plane. So these two, so reference plane will define the base of the center of that model. So maybe just ping them. Okay, so now we need to create so first we need to create the shape of this, the path. If you're going imagine that's the sweep, it will be a path of the sweep, and then after that we'll create a profile. So we're going to place that path in this reference plane. So set work plane onto this reference plane. Okay, so south and OK. So we're going to use reference line, rectangle, start from this ground floor, go up. And so actually we're going to try to make it parametric. Okay, so which means we need to add some dimensions. So for example, these two, and then another one. So this will be the width. Okay, so let's create a new width, and we also need a height. So tab select this one, so we can create this dimension, and let's call it H. So now we can control the width and the height, and also we need the curved corner. So we can use reference fillet arc, and then try to create that corner. So you can just do it this way, and so if you know exactly what the radius of the corner is, so you can just check this box, type the radius, and then just create it by picking these edges. Okay, so this is all good, and actually I wanted to add a radius dimension as well. So just tab select this reference line, this arc, and create this radius, and then select them and create a radius parameter. So now we have three dimension, three parameters, so we can control the shape of the path. So for example, I want to make it wider, so type in this, make this taller, higher, 30 meter. And also you will see this one's go down, so maybe we need to lock this reference line onto something here, level. Okay, so and also this one, this is a radius of the corner. And let's just click OK, AL, align, and pick this reference line, lock. And maybe just move these dimensions a little bit away from the shape. Okay, so let's try again. So, and before that, maybe I'll just change the scale so you can see the number. So let's have a test again. So 18. So let's try 20 meter. So all good. Maybe 7.5 meter radius. Good. This one maybe 27 meter. Yeah, all good. So now the next step is we need to place why the dimensions there? Doesn't matter. So we need to place profile. So we're going to use a point, draw on face, and then use this point. So let's change this to always to make it easier to pick the work plane of this point. So we need to create a profile onto this work plane. So reference. So we're going to use a rectangle again, and also draw on work plane, set work plane, pick this work plane, and then I'm going to just do it. And I decide to make it a more square shape. So I'm going to tab this one. Oh, actually, so we can just dimension DI. Okay, don't worry. Just dimension and dimension this reference line to the point. Okay, so to this point. And the point. Select them and create a profile. I'll just call it W1. And okay. And then this will make this a square shape. And also you can change the size. So for example, I'll change to 3.6 meter, for example. Good. And then we just we're going to also do the fillet arc. And sometimes you might find that doesn't work. So this is because the current work plan is not on this point, not this work plan. So we need to set work plan onto this, okay, onto the same work plan as these reference lines. Now we can use fillet arc, and I'm going to just use maybe maybe 2 meter, okay, and then pick all these reference lines. And the same, I'm going to just select this radius and add dimension and then create, call this R1, for example. So we can adjust the shape after we create the form. Now we have this path, we have this profile, select them, create a form, and that's it. So let me change it to shade SD, or maybe just give it a material. So I'll just give it color. Okay, so now we can, because we have all the parameters, we can adjust them here. So for example, if I want to make it higher, radius, what's this radius? So this is for the, let's try 9, yeah, or so. What else? W width. Or just be careful, because see this one's 9 meter. If you have 18, exactly the double the radius, it will break this one, because this edge, this line becomes 0. So you can't do that. Okay, just be careful. So I think this is okay. And this is the radius for the profile. So you will see, we will change that. And W1 is the width of the profile. Yeah. So okay. So I think maybe we need to reduce the width a little bit. Okay. So but first we need to change this one to a smaller number so we can reduce this a little bit more. Yeah. All good. So this is it. So this is one, and then so actually you can probably just, once you finish this one, you can copy this up, rotate, and then become the other part. So we're going to finish this one. Okay, so finish this one. Okay, so let's have a look. Currently we have the solid part. The solid means we can use it to create a floor. So for example, if I finish this mass and select this mass, you will see you can create mass floors. To create mass floor, first you need to create some reference, some levels. So I'm going to use hang on, let me control Z. Sorry. I'm going to array it up. So okay, so create some levels and select all, ungroup, and maybe delete these two. So now we have all these levels. We can select this mass, create mass floor, shift, select all, check all, and OK. So this will create a mass floor. Okay. So what's going on here? Hang on, let's have a look again. What's the warning? A serious... Oh, really? Really? A serious error has occurred. Oh, that's not good. Wow, what can we do? I have no idea. So let's try again, okay? So this is serious. Okay, so maybe let's try to adjust this a little. And maybe, hang on, let me just check the level, see if there's any level that, oh, maybe it's here. So let's have a look. So if I go to south, see this one, this level is exactly on this face. So maybe this is a issue. Okay, so that's fine. So I'll just cancel this. I'll delete all these levels. I'll adjust this one so it's not touching on this face. Okay, so I'll move it down by 300. And then I'll just array these levels. Oops, sorry, wrong one. Do it again, AR, go up, 10. Oh, good. So in this SA on group, delete this one. So make sure there's no levels touching the tangent to some, face of this mass. And then let's try again. Okay. Yeah. No more warning. Yeah, good. So now you will see, if I HH this mass, you will see these are the mass floor. So mass floor is not floor. It's there's no thickness, but it's at least you have all this information here, and also you can create floor here by face. Okay, and then you can select all these mass floor and create floors. So now you have the actual floor following the mass floor. So exactly the same shape as the mass floor. Okay, so that's good. And then if I go to mass, now let's make it transparent. Maybe we can give it, oh, actually, that's fine. Because we're going to create walls and maybe glazing. So now let's model this one. So the white color part. So it seems like a wall, a little bit thickness there. So okay, so let's do it. Select this mass again, edit. Maybe it's a good idea to get rid of the material, so it will use the default mass, which is translucent material. Okay, so now we are going to HH. Okay, HH is the mass. We're going to use the same. This one. We're going to use part of this reference line and use this part to create another mass. Okay, so let's have a try. So I'm going to type WF, so it's easier for us to pick all these reference lines. So I'll select all these reference lines. Of course, I don't want to select the dimension. I don't want to select the point. So now we have 8 reference lines selected, and I'm going to press Shift and remove some of the reference line from this selection. So only have these reference lines selected, and Control select this path and create form. Okay, so now we have an error. So Revit is telling us an open profile cannot be swept along a multi-segment path. So because this is a multi-segment path, it's not one spline, so we can't use an open profile. So it needs to be closed. Okay, that's fine. It's easy to fix, right? Okay, so what we need to do is we need to close this. Okay, so first set work plan onto this work plan, and we're going to just use offset, offset, so 100, and just pick these lines. I'm going to just tab, see if I can pick all, can't, that's fine. Just create all these new reference lines, which are 100 mil offset from the original. And then I'm going to just close it and then just create a reference line and close it. Okay. And here as well, from here to here. So now we can select, now this is a closed profile. Okay, so select all of them and filter out the dimension, the point, and OK, shift and remove these three. So now we have a closed profile. And Control, select this part and create a form. So now change to SD shade. You will see we have this. Okay, so this is a new mass. So if I type HR, so you'll see we have this one. We also have this one. Okay, so now all good. So if we finish this mass, we can start to place some wall onto. Oh, action be cancelled. Would you like to save a recovery? This is so what's going on here? That's fine. I'll just save this and see if I can change made in this will not be saved. The project will be saved. I'll save it anyway. So okay, so let's try finish. Oh, this is serious. So I'm not sure why this is happening. I guess. No, I still don't know. Anyway, I'll see if we can adjust it. I think it's all good. It's not very stream shape. It's a very basic massing. Okay, so that's fine. So I'll see if I can, if I delete this part, finish mass, so all good. So which means the issue is that the new part. So let's just Control Z to have this one back, and so I'll see if I can. So first I want to delete it, and then I'll see if we increase the thickness of this. So if I offset a little bit more, so instead of 100, if I try 200, so I'll just see this. Uncheck copy, offset 200. Oh, doesn't work. Control Z. Offset, check copy 100, tab, and then I try to trim this and delete this part. Oops, sorry. Delete the middle one, delete, and let's go to the other side. Tab, select, maybe trim this one to this. Tab, select the middle one, delete, and let's try this. Okay, so I'll go see if I can select, maybe just do this again, select all, filter out the dimension and the point, and also shift, remove these three and select the path, create form. Yeah, so this time okay, so I'll see if I can click on finish mask. Yeah, it works. So interesting. It doesn't work when we use 100 mil, but if we make it 200 mil, it works now. Okay, anyway, that's good. Now we have, so this is basically a mess, and then we need to place something, for example, walls onto it. So let's do it. Wall by face. So I'm going to use a generic wall. So maybe 200 wall, maybe 300, 200. So place the face. So you'll see the, yeah, all good. So play this. Oops. Sorry, too fast. Control Z, Control Z. More. So yeah, that's it. So basically, you just place wall onto the mass. So on this side, it's the same. And also, you will notice that because this face is a flat, so you won't be able to place a wall on a flat surface. Okay, so you probably need to. I think you can manually create a floor or roof on top, use the same material. So yeah, that's how it works. Oh, okay, so almost there, and here this, and not this one because it's a flat surface. So maybe actually you can use face roof by face. Just you probably need to create a new type of roof, use the same material and same thickness as this wall, so you can use pick by face. Otherwise, just manually create a flat floor or wall or anything, model in place. Okay, so that's it. And then, so these are the floor, which is good. And then let's have a look again. So if you want to create some, if you only need some glazing material like this one, you don't want to see any of framing, you can create a wall. You can create a wall with only glass. So you can just create. I'll just quickly do it in edit. So this is for concept only because we know that if it's a real project, you need a frame. So create a new wall. So just use glass material and try a thickness, and then that's it. And then you can create wall by face. Use this wall, this one. Okay, so then that's it. And if you need to create some more realistic glazing wall, so you can use curtain system. So for example, I'll just place some here. So I'll pick some face here, and so you will be able to edit type and adjust all these settings. So for example, 1.5 meter both direction. You can add some mullions. And that's it. You might need to adjust these the settings so to get rid of all this. But basically that's it. Okay, so you can also do it on this face. So I'll show you. Wrong one. Curtain system. Create a system like that. And I think that's about it. So I'll have another look. Yeah, that's it. I think that's it. So the good thing about this is because we build this mass use parameters. So once you place all these walls, you can still update the walls if you if you need to change the dimensions. So if let me show you. So if you edit type, select this mass edit type. So see all these parameters, and for example, I'll just adjust some. Okay, so make it smaller maybe, and click OK, and you will see the massing become smaller. But all these walls, so it's still this didn't change automatically, but you can select one of them as A and go update to face. There's some issue here, but let's click OK. So now you will see this wall will still match the mass. These are the floor. Oh no, these are yes, sorry, these are floor. SA, select all, and update to face, and then this floor will match the mass floor. Okay, so looks like it's no longer touching the mass, so it's just floating there. So now we can delete it. And what else? So these the same SA, update. It will go back. These are system curtain system. Curtain system. It seems it won't allow. Once I select all, it won't allow me to update. But if I only select it, this one, so we can update to face. Same this one, update to face. That's it. It's all good. Yeah, that's it. And let me try see if I can copy this one up. It won't allow me to copy. Let's try Shift. Yeah, once I press Shift, it will allow me to move this up. Now we can use keyboard because it's not locked onto any of the levels or work plans. And I'll see if I can rotate it. Okay, so maybe I'll just do it in 3D view. Select this mass, go to the top, RO, 90 degree, great. And that's it, that's another. And then if you need to create a mass floor, you just need to add some more levels. And if you wanted to create walls, you can just CS, pick face, and then create a walls. Okay, so that's it. I will share this family for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.